How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about two trades I took today on SPY, give you the reasoning behind them, what I've seen. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get right to this. For the first example, I'm going to show you all the SPX chart because I based my SPY trade off this level. So let's take a look right here. You can see this was the opening 5-minute candle. This was at 41.48 resistance level I had drew out, right? I gave this to you all on Sunday. I gave it to you all every morning on my Instagram live all week. This was a nice resistance. We opened below it, so it's a resistance. We come up, we broke above it. So we broke above it with nice volume, some strength, right? So I changed my game plan for myself. Okay, I'm gonna look for it to retest. It pulled back down, retest. That's where I entered with SPY calls here. Caught a nice move up. Very nice trade, worked out well. Now the bigger trade I caught on the day, first off, I want to point out my ES level. I gave everyone on my Instagram live this morning. 41.90 was the reject level I was watching for puts on SPY. Keep in mind, I'm watching ES, SPX, and I'm watching SPY when I'm trading. I'll leave a good video in the description below to kind of help you, determine how I find my levels like that. But this was the reject level I gave everyone. We come up, hit that. I didn't get to take this trade. Let me tell you why I didn't take puts there. Because we had data dropping in 1 minute. Right when we hit this, we had data dropping in 1 minute. So, added risk to this trade. So I said, okay, I'm not taking it. Data hit, we had a big push down. I do not chase trades. I let it go. So what I wait on? Let's switch over to SPY and look at the 5-minute time frame now. So Jay Dunn is actually one that called this out live inside Team Bull. I called out my entry with him as well. And this was an entry we took. We pushed down, come back up, retested this prior day close. I told Jay Dunn, everyone inside Team Bull, I said if we push on up back to that resistance on SPX, I'll add some more there. But got in right here at, I think my fill was around 91. 92 on the 413 put options, but got in. Beautiful trade. Pushed down, went from like 91. My last sell was in the 130s, I believe it was. Very nice trade. I'm happy with my ending to the week. These were called out live inside Team Bull. Before I go, I want to talk about another video I'm going to be working on for you all. So this next video, this is going to be another big video. That last one I put out really went so much positive feedback. But this next one, I'm going to create an entire video showing you how I find my levels, exactly what I look for, showing you what I stay away from, how I would trade, basically. You're going to see it from start to finish, kind of give you my thought process. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure you like this video and leave a comment saying, you'd like to see that. And that's all I have. I hope you all have a great weekend. I'll see you all Monday morning on my Instagram live. I go live every single morning on Instagram. Give you free education. We create a watch list / game plan for when the market opens. We even trade futures live there if we see a trade. Starts at 8 a.m. Eastern time until like 8:45 a.m. Eastern time. The first 30 minutes is future trading, free education. After that, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, that's when we create the free watch list, get the game plan together. That's all I have. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.